Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change password on Bigo Live. So in order to change password on Bigo Live, what you can do is first of all go ahead and open up your Bigo application. Now once you're on the Bigo application, the user face will appear like this. Now go ahead and tap on me option, which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now in here you can see many different options. Now on the top right hand side you can see the gear icon, which is represent as the user setting. Tap on it. Now in order to change the password, tap on the account management and then now tap on phone number at the top of the screen. Now here you can change your password for Bigo Live. So in order to change the password, tap on change password. Now what you have to do is type down your old password and new password, and once you are done and tap on done and save the changes and you are good to go. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.